just an example of what happens when you have somebody who's bored as hell and has a duster automation experience. This light indicates the alarm panel status. Red is all zones secure, system armed. It'll be flashing yellow, has a entry zone is violated, and we go into entry time as somebody has time to enter the code. Once the system's disarmed, it'll go back to green. Then when the system's armed, and after the timeout period, switches back to red. So I'm going to go open the front door now. So you hear the keypad announcement that we're now in timeout to enter our code. You also see we're flashing to yellow. I won't stay here for too long because I'm going to set the alarm off. Got kind of close there. Went to rapid beep. Might need to adjust those values some. Anyhow, we're back at green. So system is not armed. Alarm system is disarmed. We'll turn it back on. So alarm system is now armed in stay mode. Once again, we'll stay green until the exit timeout completes, and then once the timeout is completed and all zones are secure and armed, then we'll go back to red.